Hi everyone, welcome back to Phone Questions channel. I am Vera. In this video, I want to show you how to add RAM extend or virtual RAM on your Oppo A60. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you. First thing first, open your settings menu. And then go to about device. Next, open RAM. Yep, this is RAM expansion. You can to add RAM extend or virtual RAM on your device up to 8 GB. Yep, I wanna change to 8 GB like this. You can see the settings will take effect after you restart your device. Now you can restart your device like this. Click power button and then volume up button together like this. Click restart. Okay, wait a minute, my phone will be turned on. Yep, I will check my RAM. Open settings menu and then open about device. Yep, successfully. Now you can see my RAM is 8 GB plus 8 GB extended RAM. So guys, this was my tutorial. I hope to be useful for you. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you.